Minister Azam Khan was at the receiving end of the Supreme Court's anger today over his Bulandshahr gang rape remark that it could be a conspiracy hatched by rivals. The Apex Court has also issued him notice along with the Uttar Pradesh government to respond whether those holding constitutional positions should be allowed to make such remarks.
Acting on a plea by father of Bulandshahr rape victim, the Supreme Court not only issued notices to the Uttar Pradesh government, but also took a stern view on the statements by State Minister Azam Khan. Azam Khan, in a statement, had said that the rape incident may have been a ploy by political rivals to defame the state government. Supreme Court sought a reply from Azam Khan on the same. The victim family had moved Apex Court for moving the cases outside Uttar Pradesh, beside lodging FIR against Azam Khan and several other police officials.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो संज्ञान लिया उससे हम संतुष्ट हैं। हमारा बुलंदशहर केस ट्रांसफर किया जाए, आगे से और किसी के साथ ऐसी घटना ना हो।
Supreme Court has appointed jurist and senior lawyer F.S. Nariman as amicus curiae in the matter. There are 4 basic points which the Apex Court wants to address. Whether any person occupying a public office can term a complaint a political controversy, especially when he is not related to the incident. Whether the state can give such a statement which creates distrust in the mind of victims about a fair probe in the case. Whether such a statement can be part of freedom of speech and expression. And if such statements render the basic tenet of constitutional sympathy and equality useless. The political parties have launched a frontal assault against Azam Khan and Samajwadi Party after the Supreme Court observation.
देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश में जिस तरह से हालात हैं, कानून व्यवस्था चौपट है और वहां अपराधियों के हौसले बहुत बुलंद हैं और जिस तरह से बलात्कार की घटनाएं हो रही हैं, उसमें बलात्कारियों के खिलाफ केस रजिस्टर्ड करने के बजाय बलात्कार की घटनाओं को राजनीतिकरण करना, ये मानता हूं ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और ये उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों का अपमान है, खासतौर से हमारी बहन बेटियों का अपमान है।
इसके लिए उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार स्वयं भी जिम्मेदार है, क्योंकि जब मुलायम सिंह यादव ये कहेंगे कि बच्चे तो बच्चे हैं, उनसे गलती हो जाया करती है, इसको इतनी गंभीर तरह के अपराध की संज्ञा देने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो उन लोगों को मनोबल बढ़ जाता है जो इस तरह की घटनाओं को अंजाम देना चाहते हैं।
The incident occurred on the night of July 29th when a group of highway robbers stopped the victim's car on NH91 and sexually assaulted woman and her daughter after dragging them out of the vehicle. After this incident, Azam Khan called a press conference and termed the entire episode as a political conspiracy. The minister is sticking to his observations even now.
जब तक मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है उस वक्त तक हम अपनी इच्छाओं को व्यक्त करते हैं। मैं क्योंकि मंत्री भी हूं, लिहाजा मैं कोई ऐसी बात नहीं कह सकता जिससे न्यायालय के आदेशों की अवहेलना होती या जो मुकदमा वहां हो उसका कोई अपमान होता है।
Azam Khan may be putting up a brave face, but Supreme Court's stinging remarks and the matter has the potential to put the state government in a difficult situation. The Apex Court has also stayed the CBI investigations in the matter till it decides whether the matter is to be heard outside the state of UP or not. With Vikas Sarthi from Delhi, Newsnight Desk, DD News.